morning, welcome to my channel. My name's Dawn, I'm the Reclusive Crafter, and today is Quickfire Friday, and it's going to be so quick, if you blink you might just miss it. It's hot out there, and yeah, it's not a great place to be at the moment indoors. So what have we got today? I've literally just finished my ocean spray journal, or hybrid folio journal. If you haven't had a look at it, please do. It's absolutely beautiful. It's been done with the template of the Hello Baby, which Amanda did at Scrimping Mummy. So pop on and have a look at that as well. And what I've decided is, I don't know about you guys, but at the end of every single project I do, I end up with lots and lots and lots of bits and pieces left over. I don't like throwing them away because sometimes things come in useful and you can use things for other projects. And you can also use things for the obvious things like clusters and labels and all sorts of things you can use your bits for. So what I decided to do, I've also seen a lot of people asking about storage solutions for their craft stuff. So I came up with this. It's just a little pull drawer. It's an A5 size, so it's half the size of an A4, as you can see. And it literally, my ocean spray project that I've just finished, I've literally just gone through and thrown in all the little bits and pieces from that kit, all my little leftovers, so that now if I want something on an ocean theme, it's all there in a little slide drawer. Now it can be labelled up, you can decorate it however you want to, you can make it out of literally whatever you want to. I've actually made this, I'm not going to lie, this is only a prototype, and I've made this one out of not very thick cardstock. I think it's only about 200 GSM cardstock. Honestly, it could have been done with being a bit thicker, but it does the job. Okay, and what I'll get my words in, what I'll end up with is, once I've got a few of these done, they'll stack on top of each other, and it just makes it nice and neat and tidy to be able to store on your bookshelves or wherever you store your ephemera, in drawers or whatever. You can literally just pop it in and grab it out, and you know exactly what's in that box. Now I'm going to be using mine for end of project stuff, but it's also a great idea as well for being able to separate all your little ephemera bits. So things like you could have one drawer for butterflies as an example, you could have another one for labels, you could have another one for words, or whatever you wanted to. You can utilize these for whatever you want. You can pop on the front, and I thought what might be a nice idea was having like a little nameplate on that you could sort of tuck what's in there into the nameplate. And I might dig one out and show you how to do that. I've attached a little pull there, just a little ribbon pull, to be able to pull that out. And tomorrow's video, which is Stashbusting Saturday, I'm going to be doing just a little mini series on storage solutions, using up some of your stash basically. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make this, go through what you can do with them. I'm going to use something a little bit stronger than the cardstock I've used, because like I say, this is literally just a little bit of, I'm almost sure it's 200 GSM cardstock that I've used. If you want to join along with me tomorrow, all you're going to need is 2 A3 sheets, or potentially four or five A4 sheets, because you can glue bits together. It doesn't really matter if it's not all one sheet. It does help if it is, it just makes life a little bit easier, but if it's not, we can work around that for you. Okay, that's it for today, guys. That is all I am showing you. If you're interested on how to make it, it's got a little back end as well. If you're interested in how to make it, how to store all your little bits and pieces, I'm going to show you how to make this one up tomorrow. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I will hopefully see you all for tomorrow's stash busting session. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.